Stop panicking over your unresponsive Jeep key fob. Stay calm and try these simple fixes first. You might save yourself a trip to the dealership. First up, let's check the most common culprit, the battery. Key fob batteries usually last a couple of years, but when they die, your fob stops working completely. Just pop open the fob, usually with a coin, and swap in a new battery. Make sure it's the right type, usually a CR 2032. Still not working? Make sure there's nothing blocking the signal, like metal objects or even your own hand. Try standing closer to your Jeep, as weak batteries or interference can reduce range. Next, check if the fob got wet. Moisture can mess with the electronics. If you suspect water damage, let it dry out completely and try again. If you've replaced the battery and there's still no luck, your fob might need to be reprogrammed to your car. This usually means a trip to the dealership or an automotive locksmith. Finally, if nothing works, the fob itself could be faulty. It happens, and sometimes replacement is the only option. So before you stress, try these easy steps. Chances are, you'll be back on the road in no time.